Da Nang, the most worth-living city, a city of the best food, friendly, hard-working people, and a distinctive nightlife. Throughout history, Larue has been the child and the pride of Da Nang, progressing with the greatness of this city. However, Larue is facing many challenges from competitors. Larue needs to step up and remind its drinkers of the lively connecting times between them. Larue wanted to own the lively connecting moment when the consumers are celebrating their hard-working day. How to create strong connection with local consumers to drive massive awareness with a new approach to the brand's image. Larue's optimism. According to a report from Decision Lab, Zalo is one of the top 3 platforms with the highest penetration among users in central regions. Zalo is being used and loved by more than 90% of Vietnamese internet users. This explains why Zalo should be the go-to platform to help Larue achieve its ambitions. What Larue needs is a regional approach to drive sufficient awareness and aggressively compete with competitors, while building Larue as an optimistic brand that stands for lively connecting. The challenges. The hypothesis is that if Larue can reach out to its drinkers with the right message at the right time, it can effectively impress them and build relevancy. There are millions of users active across Zalo products, creating millions of digital signals every day, only a few of which signal them as drinkers. This put out a challenge for Larue: how Larue can differentiate and identify its potential drinkers. The second is that Larue needs to understand its drinkers to know when and which message would work to unlock the moment and deliver the most relevant message at the right time. The solutions. What Zalo did to help Larue achieve its ambition. Zalo leverages Adtima audience pulse to push a survey to detect drinker signals and what's their beer choices. Then combine it with Larue's first-party data and Zalo users' digital signals. For the first time, Zalo applied a predicted machine learning model to help optimize millions of digital signals simultaneously and create 2 segments of Larue drinkers and mainstream drinkers. Based on Zalo users' understanding, Larue reached out to each drinker's group using the most impactful format across their journey on Zalo by time of days and regions. We also built a personalized message approach. Drinkers from each segment will be reached with a dedicated message at a specific time, fulfilling the right drinker at the right moment. Measurement. Last but most important, to evaluate the audience's perception, we deployed a brand lift survey, one before the campaign to set the baseline, one in the middle to track movement, and one after the campaign ended to measure the effectiveness. Campaign achieved significant results for both brand and media performance. In Da Nang, Larue observed an uplift of up to 14 points in spontaneous awareness. In Can Tho, Larue observed an uplift of up to 12 points and maintained the trend even when competitors were active with promotion and thematic campaigns. Media campaign achieved an average of 40% reach weekly. Engagement improved up to 1.5 times compared to the past campaign. Zalo helped Larue become the top of mind among drinkers in their lively connecting moment.